Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to save video in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, let me just show you real quick how you can save the video that you are editing in the CapCut PC, like this video. This video I'm editing right now. So I want to save this video as the edited video, alright? So how we can do that is very simple. We can just go to the export option right over here. Just tap on the export option. All right, after that you will see these settings. So you need to select the resolution for your video. Like I have the 1080p video resolution, and always make sure that your bitrate is higher. It will do better in your resolution or quality of the video. Then codec, you should select the H.264 and MP4 as well, and then the frame rate. If your video, just take your video's frame rate, like if your video have 25 or 60 frame rate, you can just simply go with that. I have my video with 60 fps, so I will go that and hit the export. So that's how you can easily save the video. And also, if you want to save the project, it's very simple as well. You can just simply close the program and it will save the project. So CapCut automatically saves the project, so you don't need to worry about the project. All right, so this is it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.